While other companies are just focusing on the technical skills ng kanilang mga empleyado, it is advantageous to your company if you also focus on the mental health training of your employees. Why? Napakaraming cases na ang mga empleyado, they don't perform well is because marami silang issues na hindi nila na-resolve. So if you can give them tools and resources to manage their stress, mas madali silang maka-recover and become more functional in doing their duties and responsibilities. And it also helps to foster an environment that is conducive para sa growth ng bawat isa't isa. Kasi pag may stress dyan na empleyado, may empleyado dyan na may mental problem na hindi ina-address or tinutulungan ng kumpanya, slowly but surely, it will drain the morale and the productivity of your organization. So it's important to address these issues, and it's important also to let your employees know that you as a company owner, napaka-importante ang mental well-being ng iyong employees.